To factor this equation, we have to divide by x minus 1 because that's the only factor that goes into every function. And to do this, we'll use synthetic division. And in synthetic division, x minus 1 is 0, so we use 1 at the side. Then you bring down then you put the coefficients on the top. So, and then you bring them down. So then you do 1 times 2 and put the answer over here, and then add both the numbers. -7, -4, and then you multiply this, -4, 0. So this would be the coefficient. 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. There's no remainder. This is the factored. This is the answer. Plus x minus 8x minus 4. Then you basically factor both of them. X plus 1 minus 4, 2x minus plus 1. The 2x plus 1, so they both cancel out. We're left with x minus 1, and that along with this will be the factor. Let me put it clear. Along with x minus 1 will be the factors. So, always critical regions always start with negative infinity. Oh, my bad. And then 1, because x minus 1 equals 0. If it equals 0, x equals 1. And then next one will be at 1 to 4. You can see. And then if 2x plus 1 is set equal to 0, then x will equal, negative. So first of all, it's my mistake. I'm very sorry for this. -1 over half. This will become first, and so it will be infinity, negative infinity, and then negative 1/2 to 1, because if it ends at this, the first set of regions, it has to start at negative 1/2, and this is equal to 1, so this 0 is equal to 1, so put it over there, and then 1 to 4. this would this would be the critical regions. We want to just find the max and min, so the highest number in this is 4. So when x is 4, that's the highest point. Basically, you just plug these x's into the equation up there, and then you can see if if the x has an absolute, make the x and y combination of each of these makes a absolute or relative max or min. So if there's two low numbers and the lowest and one number is more higher than the other one, then that would be the absolute minimum, and the absolute max would be basically the odd one out. So out of these three numbers, whichever is not a minimum, it will be the max for this problem.